Hello. Autumn weather has arrived across much of Europe, particularly in the west. It's a bit of an east-west split at the moment. We've got low pressure moving in from the Atlantic, pushing across western and central parts of Europe. You can see on the satellite image all that cloud. Lots of showers coming out of that area of low pressure, particularly for parts of France, across the Alps, in towards Germany, for the UK too, through into Friday, with a cold northerly wind developing behind that. But further east across Europe, we're still in the warm air, so some pretty hot conditions holding on across parts of Turkey, Greece as well. Humid air in store for the Balkans and for Italy, but we're also set to see some heavy showers and some thunderstorms developing in that humid air. Colder air further north for France, up towards Denmark as well. Some heavy downpours for the likes of Copenhagen. Brisk northerly winds developing across the British Isles, and low pressure keeps things unsettled across Scandinavia. That area of low pressure is quite slow moving, just drifting its way further eastwards across parts of Germany in towards Poland as we head through the weekend. Some of those heavy downpours pushing into Romania and Ukraine as well, but we're still holding on to that hot air towards the east. Both London and Paris could see 1 or 2 showers around over the next 5 days or so. Madrid looking largely dry, warming up a touch, with the odd shower in Rome, which should clear through the course of next week. Moscow looking pretty warm over the next few days, turning cooler with showers in Kiev. Bye-bye. Hello there. Tropical storm Beta has been quite slow moving over recent days, brought some heavy rain across parts of Texas, Louisiana as well. It's no longer a tropical storm, but the remnants of Beta still here, moving their way slowly eastwards. We could well see more heavy rain and some flooding issues to come, especially across northern parts of Mississippi and Alabama, pushing in towards Texas and Georgia over the next 24 to 48 hours. Elsewhere across North America, a lot of warm weather in place for many central states. Temperatures here well above average, but it's looking very unsettled across eastern Canada. We've got a deep area of low pressure moving in here, bringing some heavy rain, some strong winds too, and that wet and windy weather spilling down into the Pacific Northwest. So some rain to come for Washington State, Oregon too, some useful rainfall around there. Still looking dry though for parts of California. So there'll be a bit of rain to come for Vancouver and Seattle through the day on Friday. San Francisco and Los Angeles both staying sunny and dry. Now we've got the remnants of Hurricane Teddy bringing some windy weather across the likes of Labrador, but elsewhere across eastern Canada it's looking largely dry, warming up for eastern Canada and the northeastern states over the next couple of days. But then further south we've got the remnants of ex-tropical storm Beta, so heavy rain to come across parts of Tennessee and Georgia, with some heavy showers for Florida. It'll be warming up in Montreal over the next few days with some heavy showers in Miami. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Central America and South America too. And for South America first off, we've got some fairly warm air in place through central parts of the continent. So a northerly breeze blowing across parts of Bolivia, Paraguay into central Argentina too, and this northerly breeze bringing some warm air, so temperatures across this central portion of the continent certainly above average. A little bit cooler further south, particularly for southern parts of Chile where things are looking unsettled, wet and windy. And further north, some heavy downpours, particularly across western parts of Colombia. Fewer showers across Venezuela, and things are looking drier as we move across the Amazon basin as well. So temperatures certainly on the warm side for southern parts of Brazil, into Paraguay, Uruguay. A lot of dry weather for much of Argentina. There will be some heavy rain arriving here though as we head into the weekend, and low pressure bringing rain to the far south of Chile at times. Temperatures in Rio de Janeiro will be on the rise over the next couple of days, but there will be some heavy rain developing in Buenos Aires on Saturday. Now on to Mexico and Central America. There'll be some heavy showers for southern Mexico and across the Yucatan Peninsula. More persistent rain and thunderstorms further south, particularly for Nicaragua and also for Panama as well. Scattered heavy downpours across Cuba and for parts of Jamaica, but things are looking drier further east across the Caribbean. Lots of dry weather in store for Kingston, but some showers for San Salvador. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Africa and the Middle East now. And first off, across Africa, we've still got some heavy showers through the central belt. You can see these areas of cloud here on the satellite image. So more heavy rain, particularly across parts of Cameroon and west towards Guinea as well. Either side of that, a lot of dry weather, quite hot weather in fact, across parts of southern Africa, including Mozambique, Botswana, into the east of South Africa as well. But from the west, we've got a front pushing in. That's bringing some showers to Cape Town on Friday and a bit of a dip in the temperature. And things will cool down across parts of North Africa as we look towards the weekend as well. So Cape Town will see some of those showers over the next few days, a little bit cooler here. Also a few showers for Dakar through the day on Friday as well. But things are looking hot and sunny in Khartoum, with sunny spells and dry conditions for Casablanca, Kinshasa and Lusaka as well. Now, across the Middle East, we've got some showers in the southeastern Mediterranean affecting Turkey and Cyprus. One or two could spill into Syria into the weekend as well. But Friday looks dry as we head across the Gulf. Just a gentle Shmal breeze, but no problems with any strong winds or visibility over the next couple of days. So it is looking hot with hazy sunshine set to continue. And that's the way it looks for the next 5 days. Sunny and hot for Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh and Kuwait. Bye-bye. Hello. Heavy monsoon rains brought some flooding to parts of Mumbai over the last couple of days, but the rainfall is now easing from this part of India and it will be more confined to the far north and northeast of the country as well, particularly for the likes of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar as well. That's where we're set to see really heavy downpours. It's very heavy rain too across parts of Nepal up towards Bhutan and into Assam and across Bangladesh. But elsewhere across India, the showers are not as heavy as they have been and there'll be some drier, brighter weather in between. Heading our way further northwest into central parts of Asia, and there's some colder air working in across northern parts of Kazakhstan, 10 Celsius there in Nur Sultan, but some sunnier, warmer weather further south across Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan also looking dry as well. Hot, dry weather extends across Afghanistan and Pakistan, largely dry into Gujarat, but there will be some heavy showers around Mumbai and further south down the west coast as well. 1 or 2 showers for Kerala, Tamil Nadu and also Sri Lanka, but they won't be particularly heavy. Heavier rain into parts of Andhra Pradesh and particularly for Bihar up towards Bhutan, Assam and across Bangladesh as well. Things are looking largely dry in Mumbai over the next 5 days or so. There will be some showers in Dakar through the weekend, but they look to be clearing away as we head on into next week. And it's looking dry and hot in New Delhi, but some showers in Chennai. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's some fairly chilly, unsettled weather in store for the southeast of Australia, which we'll look at in just a moment. But first off, we've got Tropical Storm Dolphin moving close to eastern parts of Japan. Further south, heavy showers across parts of Indonesia and the Philippines as well. But let's take a look at Tropical Storm Dolphin. It won't make landfall in Japan, but it will bring quite a lot of wet weather with some strong winds rotating around that storm system as it pushes to the east of Japan. It'll be followed by further heavy showers pushing in from the south as well. So unsettled weather right across Kyushu, Honshu, Hokkaido as well, all seeing some windy and unsettled weather. Also some heavy showers across central parts of China and wet weather lingering for the Philippines and northern parts of Indonesia too. Now Beijing will see a lot of dry weather over the next few days, perhaps a bit of rain as we head on into next week. Seoul looking largely dry and settled with temperatures in the mid-20s. But across Australia, we've got a deep area of low pressure moving across the southeast, bringing some heavy showers. Could be some snow for the Australian Alps and temperatures in Melbourne just 10 degrees on Friday. Westerly winds for New Zealand with a few showers as we end the working week, but that low pressure will move across the Tasman Sea, bringing a very unsettled conditions with gales across New Zealand on into the weekend. Perth will see a bit of rain at times through Saturday and Sunday, and it's turning colder in Wellington.